The new gilding wax from Dixie Belle comes in a variety of colors, but what do you do when there isn't an exact match for the look you're going for? Did you know you can also mix the gilding waxes and create your own custom colors? The piece I'm working on happens to be in Dixie Belle Steel Magnolia, which is neither a silver nor a gold. It's kind of somewhere in between. So I wanted to create my own white gold gilding wax. I started with roughly a 50-50 mix of my Dixie Belle gold gilding wax and silver gilding wax. I put them down on a silicone mat and I mixed them together using a silicone spatula. I use silicone because nothing sticks to it, so it makes for easy cleanup. Here's a side-by-side comparison of my custom mixed Dixie Belle white gold and a competing brand in white gold. You can see that the Dixie Belle gilding waxes are nice and rich and my custom color matches exactly. I also put some of my custom mix into the container with the other brand of gilding wax and you can't even tell them apart. So now to put my mixture into action, I'm going to apply it to this hardware up against the background of Steel Magnolia on the body of this piece. I'm just using my fingers and an artist brush to apply. Within 24 hours, this will dry permanent and no need to seal it. I stored my excess mixture of gilding wax in a small little paint pot so I can reuse it whenever I need it. The final result is the perfect hardware for my piece, a custom mixture of gilding wax that I can reuse, and endless possibilities of other mixtures I can make. You can find more Brush by Brandy on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my website at brushbybrandy.com.